the green machine. The Hulk. The Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Mark in Massachusetts on this Ranger Superior N6, also known as the Longhorn. I'll call this one the Hulk. Mark, we got it ready to go. Your tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, the LED fan upgrade, along with the 120 millimeter cooling fan grill guard as you've seen. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. We just said about 25 watts in case you decide to throw this big hammer into a 24 pill or something later on. 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 300 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Low 750 watts PEP. Alright, Mark, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.